Σχεδία was created in 1987 with the aim to promote human rights with a specific emphasis on children's rights. Our main methodological tool is artistic expression. This year we are running a new project in the Intercultural Center of Artistic Expression in Elefsina. This center was founded by Σχεδία 8 years ago. Our new project aims at fighting against poverty and promoting equity. Many families in the region live under the level of poverty, so together with artistic activities, that means drawing, singing, theatrical games, etc., we have integrated cooking activities so that we can afford a minimum of healthy nutrition for children. This center is an intercultural center which was created with the aim to promote equity and also the harmonious coexistence of children of multiple background. Active participation and encouragement of self-esteem are our main concerns, because we believe that these are prerequisites for children's going out of poverty in the future.